Hello student. Today I am going to explain you about the neighboring countries of India. India has a common land boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest, with China, Nepal and Bhutan in northeast, and with Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Now student, you can see the map, India and adjacent countries. See, black dotted line shows international boundary and red line shows the state boundary. Now, in the south, Sri Lanka and Maldives are our maritime neighbors. India and Sri Lanka are separated by Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar. You can underline this sentence. It can come in exam for 1 mark. Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea, while Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. Now, one more important point to be noted down, that Indira Point, which was the southernmost point of India, was submerged in 2004 due to tsunami. With this, few islands of Andaman Nicobar were also submerged into the ocean. Now I will explain you the geological structure of the earth. The structure of earth is formed of lithosphere and hydrosphere. The crust of the earth, that is lithosphere, floats over the semi-liquid rocks of asthenosphere. Due to radioactive processes going on in the interior of the earth, heat is generated. This heat tends to reach the surface of the earth by generating convectional currents. The upward pressure of heat waves breaks the upper layers of the earth into very large pieces. These large pieces are known as lithospheric plates or tectonic plates. The high pressure and heat makes the tectonic plates float. Now, I will explain you the 7 major tectonic plates in the world. They are Pacific plate, North American plate, South American plate, Eurasian plate, African plate, Indo-Australian plate, and Antarctic plate. Now, I will explain you the types of plates and the effect of their movement on the earth. First one is divergent plate, second is convergent plate, and the third is transform plate. You can see in the picture tectonic plates. It is shown in the textbook. Okay. Now, divergent plate. The plates that move away from each other, that is diverge from each other, are called divergent plates. Second one, convergent plate. The plates that move towards each other, that is converge towards each other, are called convergent plates. Third one, transform plate. When two plates slide against each other, they are called transform plates. Now the effect of movement of plates on earth. The divergence and convergence in plates creates folds and faults in the plates. These tectonic movements have been going on since millions of years, which in turn have changed shapes and locations of landform continuously. For example, divergence or drifting away of tectonic plates result in volcanic activities on the earth. Wherever these plates drift away, fissures are created within landforms and oceans. Moreover, the continents situated along these fissures also drift continuously. Similarly, convergence or collision of these plates with one another has resulted into formation of mountains. Now student, you can see in the picture world and major plates. Arrow shows the direction of plate movement. Triangle shape shows the destructive plate boundary. Black plain line shows constructive plate boundary, and dotted line shows uncertain plate boundary. Now, student, in my next video, I will explain you the further topic. Thank you.